In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change USPS delivery address. Whether you're moving to a new home, trying to redirect a package that's already on its way, or just going out of town for a short while, I'll walk you through the right USPS option for each situation and how to use it smoothly. If you're moving permanently or for an extended period, you'll want to set up a change of address, also called a COA. Go to the USPS change of address page at usps.com/manage/forward.htm. There you'll choose whether the move applies to an individual or to a family. Pick individual if only one person is moving, even if others remain at the old address. Choose family only if everyone with the same last name is moving together. Next, enter your old address, your new address, and the date you want forwarding to start. Be thoughtful with that start date so you don't miss important mail. USPS will ask you to verify your identity and pay a small verification fee online, typically about $1.10. This protects you from unauthorized changes. Once you submit the request, USPS will begin forwarding your mail from your old address to your new one for up to 12 months, giving you time to update senders at your own pace. If a package is already in transit and you need to change where it's going, you can't directly edit the address. Instead, use USPS Package Intercept at usps.com/manage/package-intercept.htm. With Package Intercept, you can request that USPS redirect the package to a different address or hold it at a local post office for pickup. Timing matters here. You need to act before the shipment is marked out for delivery. There's usually a fee for this service, and it isn't guaranteed. It depends on where the item is in the network when your request hits. Keep an eye on your tracking so you can submit the intercept as early as possible. If you're only away temporarily and don't need your address changed, use USPS Hold Mail at usps.com/manage/hold-mail.htm. USPS will hold all your incoming mail at the post office for up to 30 days, and this service is free. It's a simple way to keep mail secure without forwarding or changing addresses. To recap the choices, use change of address when you're moving and need mail forwarded. Use package intercept when a package is already on its way and you need it redirected or held. And use hold mail when you're away briefly and just want USPS to pause delivery.